Morning, everybody. It's 8:37 on this Thursday morning, and because it's Thursday, it is Claims Day. So let's get right to that. But first, this is your pre-opening comment video number 2119. Okay, Asia and Europe were both slightly higher. Claims 210,000 versus expectations of 213 and versus last month's 209. Continuing claims 1,807 versus 1,811. So nothing overwhelming on either of those. We have the Philly Fed going in the opposite direction of what was expected. It came in at plus 3.2 versus expectations of minus 5. So pretty decent. We still have at 9:45 excuse me, manufacturing PMI, services PMI. Then we have home sales and leading economic indicators at 10 and 10:30. Sorry. Okay, on the screen, the oil. Um, we're down a little as opposed to last night when we were sharply higher. Yesterday we closed at 81.27, down $1.46, and this morning we got as high as 81.92, so almost $1 higher than where we are right now, and came down. I sold the XLE calls yesterday. What I Not what I was wanting to do, but even though the XLE had reversed and turned to the upside, every one of the components for energy was down. And this morning, we see the same thing. Crude down, heating oil down, gasoline down, nat gas down, Brent crude down, and even ethanol. So that's why we're gone from there. Unfortunately, we were short the silver, and we had this move of up $48 in the oil, in the gold. That has backed off from the 22 and a quarter all-time new high back down to 2209, which is still up $49. The silver, not as extreme as that, but it is up 52 cents. So that looks like after all of the great trades that we've had, it looks like the silver is going to go out possibly um, worthless. But we're up 25%, 26%. So taking a loss of, I want to say it's about $200 or 2% is not the end of the world. Okay, other information. The claims numbers came out at 8:30. At 8:29, the Dow was up 122, Nasdaq was up 188, and the S&P was up about 25. Right now the Dow is up 110, so really not much interest from that number. The Nasdaq is up about 175, and the S&P is currently up about 22. What has moved is the 10-year yield, which got down yesterday to about 417, and then this morning was 4.22, currently just short of 4.24, 4.238, and has moved higher um, during the morning. Okay, from yesterday, last night, we had Micron with a beat, trading 112.84, up 16 and a half. Apple down $1.90 or 1.1% on the DOJ planning to sue antitrust. Uh, We'll see where that goes. Also, Chewy was a miss, currently 1749. It actually printed a good number or a good headline that took the stock from where it had closed at 4 o'clock of 1775 up as high as 1995. So down here at 17 and a half, that's a pretty ugly reversal. KB Homes also was down yesterday, has come back today. Last night it was down as low as 66. So the headline put it at 71 and change, then down to 66 currently. 71 up $1.10, five below with a huge miss and poor guidance. 184.20, that's down 24 and change. And it was down as low as I believe 176. So this is a bit of a return back to the upside. This morning, Darden Restaurants with a miss on revenues and just inline earnings per share expectations, and they guide on revenues slightly lower, 166 even, down 858. Cowen increases their price target to 1100 from 900 for Nvidia. Nvidia last is 919, up 1528, and Broadcom upgraded to outperform at TD Cowen. It is 131060, and that is up 3460. Okay, a last look here. The Dow is now showing up about 100. We are over 424, almost 424 and a half on the 10-year. S&P still up 22. Let's see if I can get you. Okay, yeah, Dow up 102. And let's see if we can get a look at the NASDAQ, up 167. So there you have it. Alab, ALAB, Astera was a new issue yesterday, came at 36, opened at 52.56, ran all the way up. Let me just pull that up because it was really a nice move. ALAB was as high this morning. Let's take a look. As high this morning as 67. Last is 64.70. That's up another 270 after yesterday's move of up 26 and a half or 73%. Today we have Reddit. Symbol is going to be Rddt, and they priced that at 34, which was the high end of the 31 to 34 expectation. All right, folks, I'll be back later. Have a good day.